Timberloader. Keep it up. Filling. Timberloader. Press the pump. Ready. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep up the good work. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Pump. Hooray! Let's crack the biggest rocks. Let's wash. Hydraulic hammer. We did it! We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Bulldozer. Pump. Keep it up. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Excavator. Pump. Hooray! Let's dig a pit. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator. Hooray! We have to assemble.